looking for parking for my first audition today. It is a theater audition. Okay, no parking on Monday. It is in the heart of Hollywood, so there's no parking. I had to dress up corporate for this one. Power woman. So I've got the lipstick going, I got the hair up, I've got the clothes on. But this also was happening at the same time or thereabouts of another audition. I got a callback for a film. So I am arriving to this theater audition 40 minutes early. I sent them an email maybe about, I don't know, 45 minutes ago. It was a last minute decision. And, I just assume it's going to be okay. In LA, they are so flexible, so much more than Chicago or New York as far as theater auditions go. And I'm sure if I tell them I have to go to a callback, and if they can take me early, that's great. I'm also prepared for a no. I'm always prepared for a no, because then you just get frustrated if you think everything's going to be yes. Let's see what else. Yeah, I got to move my seat back. So I am ready to wait. I've got my lines, and this play is dialogue heavy. It's like there's monologues in just 4 pages. I'm really good with the film one. Let's see what happens in between. Let's see if I get in on time. Let's see if I get out on time. And this is the life of an actor, right? I found a meter, 2-hour parking, restricted parking on Tuesday. I'm good. Got to read all the signs.